Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to enable Passkey in Microsoft Authenticator. If you'd like to use your Passkey to log into your account on Microsoft, you can use your Passkey with the following steps. You're going to log on into your Microsoft account, and at the top right corner you can click on your profile icon. Click on Microsoft account, and on this page click on security. And then on this page under security, you're going to click on manage how I sign in. And on this page, you need to scroll down to where you have add a new way to sign in or verify. We're going to click on it. And then right here, you'll see a pop-up of different options. The very first option in this case is the face, fingerprint, PIN, or security key. And then underneath it, you can see use your device to sign in with a passkey. So depending on your devices available to you, you will be using your face, fingerprint, PIN, or security key. This indeed is the passkey, as you wouldn't be needing any other security codes. This will serve as a passkey. So we're going to go ahead and click on it. Right here, I have the option to connect it with available device connected to Microsoft Authenticator. So here I have my iPhone. We're going to click on next. And then here you can see iPhone, iPad, or Android device. This means that whatever device you have, you need to open your Microsoft Authenticator, and then using the QR code scanner, you're going to scan this code. You are going to click on the QR code option on the mobile device. Click on continue on your mobile device. And here you can see your device is connected. You can tap on the continue button on your device, and here you can see passkey saved. And from now on, you have your passkey enabled when you're trying to sign in with your Microsoft accounts. Then you're going to give it a name. Here we have Apple iCloud Keychain. We can click next, and here you can see password added. And also on your mobile device, you're going to have a notification that your mobile device is part of the keychain. You can tap on OK on both devices. And now when you scroll down on your PC, you can see use a passkey. Apple iCloud Keychain up to date. This means that you've been able to enable the passkey in Microsoft Authenticator. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.